Hello everyone, this is today's video and this video is going to be really very amazing and wonderful. So more like as you can see there's no Arduino project in front of me and it's clearly like it should be a common sense to know that there's no Arduino project or no app to show you today. Today I'm just going to show you how I have updated my laptop to Windows 11. It has not yet legally released, but yes, Microsoft has it released it for some people, like for Windows Insider program, according to Windows Insider program, so they can get the latest Windows 11 even before it is released, and it's really beautiful. It has many refreshed looks, good UI like Mac OS, and actually better than Mac OS as I have thought, and much of very good features added as well. So like there are not much great features added because it takes too much time to add those features, and with coming updates Windows 11 has updated totally to 22,065 version, 22,071 version, 22,100 version, 22,120 version. So like if we count 5 times it has updated, and each time it has updated all the bugs are going to be removed, and a more better, more trustable, more bug free version is being introduced. So today I'm going to show you my good updated laptop. This is HP Pavilion gaming laptop which I'm going to show you today, and I have updated it to Windows 11 by Windows Insider program, and it's simply wonderful. The graphics actually which were previously very dull have been changed, and rounded corners, shadows, spacing is given more accurately. So you'll be learning more about this when I switch on my laptop and show you the updates. Let's switch on it. So here is the laptop and now I'm switching it on. So at the look, this HP Pavilion gaming laptop is, as you can see, simply beautiful, and this is just a simple protector which I have added so that if any spills are there, water spills, juice spill, nothing will happen. This is quite good. I will switch on the lights, like you can also get the light. So this is the HP Pavilion gaming laptop updated to Windows 11, and it's beautiful. And simply turn it to brightness of about 50 or more. 100 would be better because everything should be shown much clearly so that it looks very beautiful. So this is our HP Pavilion gaming laptop, and that too updated to Windows 11, as you can hear properly. So the graphics, the use of graphics, the display has been changed, and the most important thing which you see, which is changed, is the boot time. So the boot time, every time a laptop, PC, your desktop, anything switches on, it takes a lot of time. So in Windows 11, according to my records, it is taking less than 10 seconds to switch on, and that's pretty fast. So boot time is quite less, and the other thing which you see is that start and all those icons are gone from left to the center, and quite good. And in the right, as you can see here, there are updated images added as well. So quite good, quite good. Like every time any app, any operating system is updated, the most prominent thing what they are updated is the images or logos what they are. So first thing what we can see is the start logo. It has been changed. Previously what we used to get is a simple, like, with no depth, no shading. So the most important thing which I felt in Windows 11 is that they have added shading. So even in the start logo, if you can see properly, there is shading added to it, and that is something that is making it really wonderful. So this is what it is. And then let's open it starting. So this is the new updated start. Like previously, if you have seen your laptop, you can even keep your this video aside and keep your open, switch on your PC and see that. If you see properly, first of all these apps which are there, they're too clumsily kept, and the background is either black, or if you can, it is your wish to even keep it white, orange, red. It is customizable. And so, but here if you see properly, there are more gaps, spacing given to it, and everything is not first of all enclosed in a box. Only if you take your arrow above it, lighter color shade, like back, you can take it as light gray, and when I keep my arrow over some app, it shows white. You can take it as this, and it's really wonderful. So good spacing is given, as I had told you. Logos of some apps have changed. Shading is given, and some pre-built apps are also been added. So like, because I this has a i5 10 generation core, so it has some Intel Optane memory and storage, Intel graphics command center, so and so too many HP apps. Microsoft Edge has also been updated to the latest and more wonderful version, and like the start has been completely revolutionized. And then comes the pinned apps. So in the pinned apps, what used to happen, the first thing what can be that they will be in the same manner like in this list, but a little bit above. So that was not something great, because pinned apps and all apps were somewhat same. So here they have given them a big, like comparatively much bigger logo. This is quite small, about 15 to 50 pixels logo, and here it is somewhat 100 into 100 pixels logo, quite big, quite good to see. And background effect or depth, curved corners are given to make it look more wonderful. So down, if we see, there are some apps for coding which I have downloaded. This is quite good looking. And type here to search, this has also been improved to more accurate and pretty good fast results as well. So now is the search. Like, search is the most important thing which I felt. Logo has also been improved. So if you see now, the logo is simply blank, and if I press it, the color changes, the logo colors changes, and it looks wonderful. And here is what the type here to search has come. You can search anything for you want, apps, documents. There's not much increase in features in type here to search, but the logo and accuracy has been increased. So then is this, all these needs internet, so I am switching on internet, but I didn't want it to, because this is quite good looking. In fact, if you see now here, the internet and the widgets are quite good. So I will first show you the notification things and those all. So this is exactly what I wanted to show you. So first of all, what used to happen is that notifications, then the calendar, and then again the quick settings, all this came crowded in one place. But here, if you see, the calendar is one good rounded corners rectangle, and up comes the notification, and they have created one additional separate column for the quick settings as well, and that is quite good. So here you get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, aeroplane mode, accessibility, and in accessibility you can get magnifier, color, so many features, quite good. Cast feature and project feature has also been there. So what used to be there was that cast was absent and project was only present. So that has been somewhat changed. Battery saver, and if you see, previously it was too much clumsy, but here in between two of the buttons there is space. So yes, this video is taking some time, but you can actually understand what's new in Windows 11, what has revolutionized in Windows 11. So there's space, and it's quite beautiful to see. Now let's switch on Wi-Fi. Quickly, I will switch on the Wi-Fi, connect to the network, and yes, I hope it will connect quickly. Yes, done. So Wi-Fi has been switched on. It's quite good, wonderful. I'm very happy, too happy with this. And next comes the new feature, what is actually added and quite good in looking as well, which adds to the beauty. As you can see, these are the widgets. Here is my account, and there are your widgets. You can add the widgets, remove widgets, as you can see. So here is the widget settings, and the most important thing is that the themes have been also increased, which I'm also going to show you. So these are the widgets. Down, if you go, you can also see the news, and quite good. Like the widgets which I have set is like the weather and the stock market, photos, tips about Windows 11. Widgets is a completely new, because not widgets, not a single app like widgets was added in Windows 11. And basically, if you see here, widgets is somewhat to give competition to Mac OS, like especially Mac OS Big Sur. It has really great features. And here is chat, which is also a great new feature. Actually, chat is nothing but improvised version of Microsoft Teams, but much more better. Here you can simply chat like WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so and so and so and so. So there are too many apps what you can get here in chat. You can chat, and the logo is also quite good. You can open Microsoft Teams as well if you want to go on a quick meeting, and quite good, really wonderful. So here is the quick settings. This has also been given rounded corners. You might be thinking why I'm showing each and every small feature. But if you notice that rounded corners, that square has given a particular shape and particular depth to make it more beautiful to users. And these small things make a laptop or a operating system much more better. So I already showed you the quick settings, which are awesome, the calendar, which is super awesome. So the next thing which I'm very excited to show you is the this PC. So this PC has been also improved, much more images are added. Like the main developments what are done here is that where there were no logos, logos are added. Where there were logos, images are added. Where there were images, more colorful images are added. For example, this PC. So here this is this PC, and first thing what you can see is the above column. Here if you see, the upper part is completely changed. Rather than small customized and very thick buttons, this has been given quite space and quite good, and then here the images have been changed for download music, videos, documents. Rather than previously they were too much clumsy, but here also you can see the images are changed for those main apps, as you can see. And then here are some of my files. Like this, in this section and this section, nothing great has been changed, but yes, the upper thing which has been changed, and the images or the logos what you save for desktop documents, downloads, music, pictures and videos has been changed greatly, and that is affecting actually what Windows 11 actually is. It gives the additional beauty what is making it a true competitor for macOS Big Sur. So that's pretty great, and it's quite good as well. And the most important thing what I felt here is that normally when you upgrade from a PC, too much of space is taken up. But here when I upgraded to this PC, automatically files of Windows 11 were added, and once it got updated to Windows 11, in one day the Windows 10 files were automatically deleted. So that's something very important. Or what happens is that Windows 10 files will be also there, and then again Windows 11 files will also be there. That makes too much of trouble. So this is quite great. And then let me show you my hobbies folder, because it is the biggest folder which I have created in this PC. So here let's open all about Arduino project score. Too many of projects. Let's select, okay, Arduino Sonar. So what happens is that here also the quick account or whatever you see here, they have changed these all things. Previously for cut, copy, rename and delete, these were absent. There were too much clumsy options. Like I will quickly show you what they were. So it was something like this, too much clumsily options. But now it has been changed, and quite good images and quite spaced round corners and quite good. Like simply they have added space, reduce the font size a little bit, but yes, it's looking quite beautiful. And when this is pressed, these all become active, and and if this is not, then they become disabled. So that is what I liked here. And Windows 11 is all about this, but I have not shared the most important and biggest thing with you. That is the settings. So let me open the settings and show you what has been revolutionized. So this is the settings in which it is wonderful. So this is my laptop, HP Pavilion laptop, 14-inch screen. So this is, so in settings, first thing what you see is the good looks. The images added here rather than previously, which are only logos, that too only outline logos with no colors, too much dull. Here they have added images with shades to improve user experience, which is also popularly known as UX. So this is beautifully said. You can rename your PC somewhat, Windows Update, display, sound, notifications. All these have been given a separate column, or else previously all those were stuck. Like as I told you here as well. Here all those were in just one, like too much of compressed. But here they have given space to each and everything. That is making something great out of it. So this is good. Bluetooth and devices. So like there is good change in Bluetooth and devices. Previously, whenever I used to switch on Bluetooth, it used to take too much time for me. But now it's quite fast and good as I think. And then pen and windowsing. So currently I have not paired a pen with it, but yes, this is not exactly touchscreen, but yes, you can pair a pen, and then once you have paired a pen, then it's wonderful. Without touchscreen, just use user gestures, it will work accordingly. But currently don't have a HP build pen, so it's okay. So this is exactly what is about network and internet. So if you have not, like, it's not too great here, but yes, the images, logos have do changed, data usage, all this has been given. Like the main things about internet is whether it is internet or Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi, then its properties, then data usage, then even in Ethernet, VPN, mobile hotspot, all this is quite here. Or else what used to happen is that when you go in network and internet, all those things would become in separate column right here. So that used to make it trouble to go back to network and internet and other things. The big thing which you can see also here is personalization. You can see more than one and quite great themes here. So currently Windows Light theme is the default theme. Then you can take Windows Dark theme, which is ultimately ultimate. So as you can see here, due to too much of glare, you can't, or you can, I don't know. Okay, yes, it is now quite clearly visible. So it's simply wonderful, and all these have been given in a dark theme that is really beautiful as I think. Then this is another one of the theme. In this, you get 4 images of Windows Light. This is it exactly, and the graphics card, which was previously not that much used in personalization, is now being used too much. Not too much, but yes, to give good depth effects. As you can see, you might be not exactly seeing, but yes, if you were really here, you might have seen how good the depth effect given is. So that actually depends upon the graphics card, all those things. So this HP Pavilion laptop is powered by NVIDIA GeForce graphics, so that's quite great thing. And in apps, all those things you can get, so and so accounts, time and languages, gaming. Yes, the good thing for gamers is that you get Xbox Game Bar here, and then all those things which you need for game, like if you are a YouTuber as well, just like me, and you want to capture something on your laptop, there are so many options: capture audio, capture video, and it's somewhat like AI because it automatically starts recording when you are doing something great in a game. And gaming section is actually something good. It is added because previously it was not that developed, or actually not it did not exist also. So accessibility is not exactly the same which is present here. Some more features are there here, and the most like beautiful thing which I liked is that you can change the mouse pointer and touch, and this is quite great. You can add your own color. Inverted colors can also be there. Like if you are seeing here, it is difficult for my mouse to be seen if I take in some text or go here. So that's simply great. And the other thing is that you can go to enormous sizes, as you can see here, and this was not, it did not exist previously. So it's really good, very beautiful. In Hindi, ati sundar. And visual effects, as you can see, transfer effects are on. Always show scroll bars are currently off because I didn't want them, but yes, it's quite good, quite updated. Privacy and security has been updated into like positive infinite times greater, super overpowered the previous Windows 10. Windows security has been improved very much. If you see the Windows security, you get, not previously there were not so many options, and even if there were, they are quite good. In like, I liked it the most because the biggest thing which I liked after the graphics and change in images, this is the thing what I liked. So this is something great which I liked in Windows security. They have tried to increase the Windows security and Windows update. So the legendary thing, as I say, is that it takes very less time for checking for updates, and it also takes very less time for updating as well. Even if you have so slow internet, currently I'm having a 30 MB per second internet, unlimited data. So that's pretty fast for me because it reaches my necessary limits. So checking for updates takes a bit time, but it's comparatively much lesser than Windows 10, which took time. And also in Windows Update, okay. So this is, as you can see, Microsoft Defender antivirus. Again, it is updating. Also, okay, it has downloaded and now it is installed as well. So if you have seen just now, it had come that there is update. It like in just some seconds it got downloaded, and in some seconds it got installed as well. So like everything is done just seconds and everything's done. So that's wonderful. I hope you liked the video, and please share, subscribe, like my video, and tell me how you felt about Windows 11, and try updating it yourself by going in settings in your Windows 10 or 8 laptop, and in Windows Update here right down you can get Windows Insider program, or actually in Windows 10 you will get in on this side. So this is the latest build of Windows 11, which is 22,120. As I told you, it has upgraded 5 times and it's super good, and no bugs I have found till now. So don't feel that yes, if I upgrade to Windows 11 it will be too dangerous or my data would go, they would hack my data. No, there are no such problems. And yes, as you have seen, Windows 11 is very beautiful, and I liked it the most, like much more than even my previous laptop and PC. So Wi-Fi is off, very good. So like let me now shut down it. So I hope you liked my video. Please share, subscribe, and like to my channel. Thank you.